Hi, this is John from Premiere Pro Classes, and today's tutorial is about importing media into the project and whether you should copy that media or not copy that media and how that all works. Let me show you what I mean. So here I have a completely blank project, and I made a folder on my desktop, which is called My New Project, and inside that folder I saved my Premiere project. It automatically made this folder with the auto saves in it because I have it set to save where the project is. So now I want to import some media. So if I go to the import window here, and let's say I want to import from another drive, this drive right here, and I have some diving footage. So I open that folder up and I take these two clips here. If I import the footage in with this button off, it's not going to copy the media. It's just going to reference the media from where it came from. So if I take this SSD drive off my system, the media that I import is going to go offline until I get the drive back on. If I put this button on, copy media, and I'll leave this on copy with NDS verification, and the files are going to go where you tell it. So right now, I want to keep it the same as the project. So it's going to put the files right where the project is, which makes it easy to manage. So if I say import now, Media Encoder is going to open up because it has to copy the files. So once Media Encoder opens up, it starts transcoding the files. You'll see a folder pop here that says diving footage, and it copied those two files into my folder on the desktop. So now if the SSD is not there, my footage will still be online because I have a copy of it on the desktop. So it made a folder the same name as the folder it came from. So let's do this again. If I go to import, let's say I want maybe some stills here, and I pick these two stills. And again, copy media is on, same as project. I can put this anywhere. I can put it on another drive, but I'm going to keep it right where the project is. So I say import, and you see it makes a stills folder because that's the folder it came from. And if I open that up, it's going to copy whatever I imported into that folder. So again, the SSD drive can go offline and I will still have my clips. So when you're starting a project, you have to think about where your footage is going to go, where it's coming from, if you want to keep it in one place or you just want to link to it and reference it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that helps you understand a little bit more about importing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or like. See you next time.